guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on my channel we do hair reviews, product reviews, and pretty much all things beauty. If you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and if you want to join the notification gang, go ahead and hit that bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Alright, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. So guys, I realized that I do not have a makeup collection video, and I intend to probably do more foundation routine videos, but I wanted to give you guys a kind of range of color of foundations that I wear. My voice is getting raspy. Oh, it's so raspy. I'm just gonna be raspy. Okay. Let's start with my two powder foundations. This is an oldie but a goodie, MAC Studio Fix, and this is NW45, which I wear now. And then I either set my under eye with this one, or I can get away with it more so in the winter, and this is NC55. Next up is another MAC foundation, and I'm going to swipe the liquids on my chest so you guys can see. The powders, I don't really think they do justice swiping or swatching. So this is MAC MatchMaster in the color 8.0. And I'm going to swatch that right here, and I'll zoom in so you guys can see later on, and I'll repoint them out once they dry down. But this is MatchMaster by MAC. Next up is a Meet Your Matte Velvet Foundation by Collab. I have a video on this, and I'll leave the iCard above. I like the foundation, so they're kind of disappearing already. So that is in the color Mocha, which is number 10 by Collab. And I can wear this one pretty much all year round. Both of these are all year round foundations. This one is L'Oreal 110 Cocoa and Infallible Pro Matte. This is an excellent foundation for summertime. It keeps that face matte to the max. And this is a low-end foundation, a drugstore brand, which should be affordable to pretty much all folk. Let's see. Okay. That one is L'Oreal Infallible. This is how it looks. Absolutely an amazing foundation. Now, I have dry combination skin, which to me means my skin is dry, or most dry in the winter. The summer, it's kind of normal in the summer, but it gets oily in the T-zone. But in the winter, it's flakier than cornflakes. So just to let you know, that's how my skin works throughout the year. So this is great in the summer because it keeps that shine out of the T-zone area. Next up are two foundations. I just did a review on the Jackie Aina extension of the Born This Way foundation. I have to mix these two together to get my color. Not because they don't have the right color for me, but I purchased these online and they weren't in the store when I wanted them. So I wanted to do a review. So what I will do next time is go in the store and actually swipe my color to find my match. But for now, I have these two, and this is Tiramisu and Chai. Chai is slightly too light, and then Tiramisu is slightly too dark. But when I mix the two together, it is amazing. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. I just do one pump of this one. For oily skin ladies, these are definitely not a summertime foundation for you. If you are dry combination skin or normal skin, you can wear this probably all year round. Just make sure you wear a mattifying primer. But I would not recommend this for oily skin ladies if you are like right now in the summertime. So that's kind of my mixture color, which I know they have a color for me, but like I said, I was in a rush to get them, so I just kind of went offline and it didn't do so well. All right, that's those two. These would be a winter foundation, so I'll classify those as winter foundation. Next up is Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. This stuff is amazing, and I have it in the color 28 Clove. I absolutely love this foundation. I will leave the iCard above for this one, the original review. This foundation is, if I had to recommend any of these foundations, this would be the one I tell anyone. This, I feel like, is probably the best foundation I have ever worn to date. Absolutely love it. Again, it's in the color Clove, and I think it matches my skin amazingly. This is also a year-round foundation. Next up is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. If you are oily, stay away from this every year. I don't think this is ever going to look good on an oily skin person. In my opinion, my suggestion would be if you have oily skin, try the matte one. And then do kind of like some highlight to give you a dewy look, because I think this might be too dewy. But this for me is a perfect winter foundation because it's not too drying and it's not, it doesn't look too oily for me. It's like the perfect combination. Again, this is another drugstore, and this one is in the color 212 Cocoa. So I will, and this one's I think it looks a little more orange, but okay. That is Infallible. And then last but not least is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. Whew, that is a long title. And this is in the color Dark 2 New Orleans. Nolans. How about that? What y'all say? What y'all know about that? How about that? And this is what you would consider a high-end foundation. And I will put that one right here. Yeah, okay. This one is definitely a winter foundation, even for me, because again, it's luminous. So anything that says loomy, glowy, dewy, if you have oily skin, you want to stay away from that unless you have a primer that just mats you to the gods. But this is definitely a good one for dry skin ladies in the winter. Alright guys, that is absolutely all the foundations. I'm going to let these dry down some, and then I'll zoom in to go back through them, and then we will wrap it up. This is the MatchMaster 8.0. Yeah. Next up is Collab, which is Mocha. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. Here. Combination here of the two Born This Way foundations right there. So it's Chai and Tiramisu. Beyond Perfecting and Clove is right here. Then the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. And last but not least is Nars up here. Dark 2 Nolan Shawty. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed my makeup collection. So now you guys can kind of compare and see what colors I wear. So whenever I do future reviews, I'll point you guys back to this video so you can kind of tell. Because it's hard to tell, I feel like, on the computer screen what someone's skin tone is. You know, maybe it's just me. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. And whenever you guys comment, it just means so much to me. And it makes me happy because I know you guys are actually watching. So thank you. Alright, I'll catch you guys in my next one. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Alright, catch you guys later. Bye! Oh, and don't forget to catch some other videos. Bye, guys.